Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to hide all photos in Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to hide all photos in Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to hide all photos in Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook and simply press enter. Now simply click on this first link. So guys, there you can see our Facebook homepage. So after that you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. In this option you have to simply click on your profile. So click on it. So guys, here you can see our Facebook profile. So this is all our posts. So to hide posts, simply click on three dots. Now here you can see the option of edit audience. So click on it. Now from here you have to select only me. After that simply click on save. So guys, by doing this, no one can see this post. But we want to hide all the posts. So doing this one by one takes lots of time. So I'm going to show you the one click method. So simply click on account option. Now here you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And in this option you can see the option of activity log. So click on activity log. Now in this option you can see the option of your posts. So simply click on it. And here you can see the option of photos and videos. So click on photos and videos. So guys, here you can see photos and videos. So your all the photos and videos you will find here. Here you can see all of my photos. So simply check this box and here you can see all the photos are selected. So after that you can see the option of change audience. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of only me. So click on it. Click on confirm. Now here you can see written change audience. So simply click on change audience. In every photo you can see written only me. So guys, here you can see we have hide all the photos on Facebook. So you can also hide all the photos on Facebook by following this process that I've shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.